Learn Linux the easy way. The first steps to being good at Linux is to navigate through the system using the terminal. But first, you need to know the Linux commands. In this session, we will cover pwd, which is print working directory, cd, which is change directory, ls, that will list our directory contents, cd space ... will go back one space in our directory, cd space tilde takes us back to our user folder, sudo will give us our root privileges, and clear clears the terminal. Let's do some examples. To know where we are, we run pwd, print working directory, and we can see that we're in the user folder Mr. Pockets. So if we now ran ls, it shows the contents of the user folder, and now we can choose where we want to go. So if we choose documents, we can use cd change directory to move there. So we run cd documents, and we can run pwd again, and it shows us we're in documents. Run ls to see what's in documents, and then run cd photos to move there, and we're in photos. Run pwd again, and we see the whole directory line. If we run a new command now, cd space ... that takes us back one space, back into documents again. Cool, huh? But if we had instead ran cd space tilde, it takes you back to the current user folder every time. See, Mr. Pockets. What a mess this is though. So we can do clear to clear the terminal. Hey, I do have one must-know final tip left for this session, but I must quickly share with you this disclaimer first. Linux Commands is committed to ethical practices and opposes any illegal activity, and we do not take any responsibility for any misuse from the video information. Yes, the final tip. When running some Linux commands, you will get permission denied in the output. 90% of the time, if you run your command again and put sudo in front of it, it will prompt you your password. You type your password, press enter, and you're in.